Public life. So, ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming the author of Becoming Extraordinary, Minnie Arora herself, to the stage. Let us all applaud her. Yes, thank you. Have unveiling of Minnie's book. Come on, a big round of applause. Minnie, please share a few words.
So there was a time in my life when I now has everything. I don't have everything in my life, a good job, everything luxurious that one can dream of. But the only thing that I was struggling was the relationships. I always, like every ordinary man, the struggles of every ordinary man, howsoever rich, successful or unsuccessful they are. Every struggle that an individual feels is the relationships one has with their parents, with the in-laws, the children, the society, the people, the colleagues, the workplace, or at the business, with the team. So I always feel that why don't we feel the life at its fullest because of the challenges being faced in the relationships. Many a times husband and wife has issues. Parents have issues with their teens when the children are growing up, and that's why I always feel that most of our energy and productivity is being drained just because of the sufferings from the relationships. And that's how I started my journey. I started looking for reasons, and that's how I attracted the courses wherein I first of all attracted the book The Secret, as Surbhi also mentioned. So this book literally is the life changer for many people who are doing great right now in the world. And following the strategies mentioned in the book Secret, I started learning from the best experts out there in our country. So learning from different mentors and experts, I literally owe my transformation today to all of them. Following their strategies, I actually cracked the code of living the life to the fullest. So working within, not fixing every problem in our relationships on the outside, just fix the energies from within. So as Sonakshi here, an amazing mentor, she also introduced you all to the chakras. So working on the similar that we all are not only the physical entities, basically we are the energy beings. So being an energy being, we have major 7 chakras which are responsible for our problems, issues, abundance or success. So if we keep on giving TRP to our problems, trying to fix each and every individual in our lives, we will never able to live the life to the abundance. And then, so there is a system, energy system within our body, which is the chakras, the energy bodies. Working on the energy bodies and the abundance mindset, which is mentioned in my book, everything step by step, in such a simplistic way that many people, in such a short span of time, just within a month, they start feeling a fulfilled life wherein they heal all their relationships so fantastically, so easily, and even they are mesmerized at how, where there were conflicts, now there is agreements, love, prosperity, abundance. So I recommend everyone whosoever wants to feel the life to the most ecstatic form, just read this book and you will be able to connect to your energy forms. And when you unleash your fullest potential by connecting you to the higher power, which can only be achieved by aligning your chakras to the universal powers, the Father Universe and the Mother Earth. So please do read this book, Becoming Extraordinary. Just within a span of 1.5 years, I transformed my identity ordinary to extraordinary. So everyone who aligns with what I shared, do read this book. Thank you everyone. Thank you Shivani. Thank you for reintroducing me.